my clothes like Krispy Kreme, I was cooking the moles. Like horseshoes, I was tossing the moles. Time to re-up, gotta recycle the flow. I'm emotional, I hug the block, ayy. I'm so emotional, I love my Glock. Chance rules everything around me, so what's realer? About this thriller, call me a ghost face killer. It's kinda hard to be drug-free when Georgia Power won't give a nigga lights free. Switch hustles been killing them ever since. Get paid to tell the truth, dog, it only makes sense. When they play that new G's, all the dope boys go crazy. Now watch the dope boys go crazy. I pop my collar, then I swing my chain. You catch me in the club, been doing my thing. When they play that new G's, all the dope boys go crazy. Now watch the dope boys go crazy. Pop the collar, then you swing your chain. All the gangsters in the streets, they be doing their thing. Hey, won't stop till my whole team in Thug Mansion. And I sell like pop, now that's a thug's passion. And this the realest shit I ever wrote. And all eyes on me like a microscope. Young G's give him one more chance.